name is Divyaa Advaani. I'm an image consultant, etiquette, and a soft skills coach and founder of the brand Suave U. On my channel, I discuss about various tips and tricks to enhance your image with respect to image consulting, etiquettes, and soft skills. I am also the author of the book called 101 Tips and Tricks to Enhance and Upgrade Yourself and Your Image, which is available on Amazon worldwide. I'll put the link in the description box below. In today's video, we shall be discussing about certain etiquettes that one must have while visiting a restaurant. It is very crucial that when we go out to restaurants along with our families or friends or business colleagues, we maintain certain etiquettes that could help us grow as a good person, and also the people around us are not disturbed. When we move towards a restaurant and there is someone at the door or at the reception desk who greets us with either a hello, good morning, good evening, or a namaste, it's always considered good to reciprocate their greetings. It does not only make them feel good, but it also makes you feel good as a person and is also considered to be very kind. When we move further towards the reception desk to get our names written in the wait list to get into a restaurant if it's too crowded, there are times when people just hover over the person who is at the reception desk, which is not considered very nice. You should rather wait for your turn or wait for your name to be called out once you've got your name written at the reception desk, and wait for the attendant to call you out and take you towards your table. In many cases, the attendant might or might not take you towards your table, but will surely direct you towards which direction you have to go towards your table. Once you have done that and you're seated at your table, it's always considered to be good if you're patient enough for the waiter to come and serve you at your table. It is very necessary to say a please and thank you when there is somebody or taking an order at your table. If you need some water, it's considered polite to be asking them for it by adding the word please. So what you could do is when there is a waiter coming to you, you can just tell him, please can I have a glass of water? It is considered very polite. If you've liked the content so far, I would request you to please click on the subscribe button if you are new to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber and a viewer who has been here for a while with me, thank you so much. I'm really glad to have you back here. Moving further, I would like to continue with the video. So once you say a please and a thank you after you've been served something, always wait for the waiter to come in. It's not considered good to wave your hand at the waiter to call him or shout out very loud. It's considered very impolite. It is not very elegant for one to do so. While you do that, it's not just you whose image is being hampered, but also the people sitting with you at your dinner table. Also, the people around you on the tables by you do not really like this attitude, and it doesn't show off well. At the same time, if you want something from the waiter who is coming by your table, you can wait for him to come to your table and ask him politely. If in case he is at a distance from your table and happens to look in your direction, all you could do is just raise your hand, and once he's seen you, put your hand down and he will come to your table. Once you do that, the other person also feels good at your table, plus the waiter who comes to serve you feels good for not being called out too loud or shabbily. You could also ask them for various things that do not exist on your table. For example, if you need an extra fork or a piece of cutlery or a new napkin or paper napkins, you could request the waiter to please come and serve it to you. And once he's done that, please tell him a thank you. Please and thank you are very kind words to be used as often as possible, but at the same time, they should also be felt meaningful. It is very necessary to mean the words that you say. Last but not the least, there is one thing which many people forget while they are sitting with people on their dinner tables or the tables that they have called food for. They tend to get too loud, which is not really a good sign for an elegant person to be doing. You should be mindful about the other audiences and the other people who are present at the restaurant. You may have your fun, you may talk at a lower volume, but also be mindful about the people around you. They have come for their own reasons and they want to spend some quality time with their people as well. So if you be too loud, it is only going to distract them with their own conversations and they might not really appreciate you being there. And none of us would want to feel unwanted in a place, right? So it is good if we keep the check on the tone of our voice and keep it a little low so that we can also enjoy amongst ourselves. Plus, the other people who have come in the restaurant can also enjoy and have their good time. Finally, while you walk out of the restaurant or even while you are walking in the restaurant in the beginning, when there's somebody walking behind you and you are the first person leading towards that space, open the door and walk out, but do not close the door. Rather, hold the door and wait for the other person to follow you too. But if you are someone who is walking behind a person and that person is in front of you and opens the door for you, and he keeps the door holding for you, when you walk out of the door, do not forget to say a thank you to that person. These are a few tips which make you feel really elegant for yourself as well as people who are there around you. It makes them feel wanted and they feel good too. If you've liked the video, please click on the like button and share it with as many people as you can. If there is any certain things you want me to talk about on my channel, please put it up in the comment section below and I will try and make videos over that. I would like you to subscribe to my channel as well and click on the notification bell icon so that whenever a new video is uploaded, you get notified for the same. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end. See you in the next video where we shall be talking about different topics. And in this topic, we conclude with the restaurant etiquettes. To avail my services, you can go to my website www.divyaadvanistore.com. I'll put the link over here and also in the description box below. Alternatively, you could also follow me on my social media handles wherein I keep putting up topics based on different etiquettes, image consulting, and soft skills. I'll put the link in the description box below and also the handles will be posted out here. Keep watching, keep shining.